Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest tech products. In this video I am going to review Ayaneo Pocket Air handheld PC game console. This is a game changer in the world of handheld gaming. I am diving deep into the specs, performance and why it's creating such a buzz. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this device from Amazon at a discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. The Ayaneo Pocket Air is making waves in the gaming community and for a good reason. Let's break down what makes this handheld gaming console stand out. First of all, let's talk about its design. The Ayaneo Pocket Air features a sleek and modern design in a stunning white color. It's compact and lightweight, make it easy to carry around. The 5.5-inch OLED touchscreen is not only vibrant but also incredibly responsive. It's perfect for gaming on the go or relaxing at home. You can enjoy your favorite games on this handheld device. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast. The Ayaneo Pocket Air runs on Android 12, ensuring a seamless and familiar gaming experience. But what truly set it apart is its CPU. It comes with AMD R5 5560U. This is a powerful processor perfect for running your favorite games and apps smoothly. Whether you are into a casual mobile games or more intensive PC gaming, the Pocket Air can handle it all. Storage is a crucial factor for the gamers and the Pocket Air comes with an impressive 16GB of RAM and whopping 512GB of storage. This means you can store all your games, apps and media without worrying about running out of space. It's a dream come true for gaming lovers. You are probably wondering about the battery life, and here where the Ayaneo Pocket Air truly shines. It's equipped with a massive 7350 mAh battery, ensuring hours of uninterrupted gaming. You can game to your heart's content without constantly worrying about recharging. What's even more exciting is that Ayaneo Pocket Air runs on Windows 11 OS. This means you can play your favorite PC games right on your handheld console. It's like having a portable gaming PC in palm of your hand. Now let's talk about the price. This Pocket Air is priced at $699 considering the performance, features and build quality. This is an excellent deal for gamers who want the best of the both mobile and PC gaming. So that's it guys. It's a game changer in the world of handheld gaming, offering incredible performance, ample storage and a beautiful design. If you are a serious gamer who want to take your gaming on the go, this is the device for you. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye bye.